Hi everyone, welcome to R&R Raghavendra channel. This is the continuation video of the class 8th chapter 9, that is algebraic expressions and identities. In the previous video we have discussed about the what are algebraic expressions, like and unlike terms, monomial, binomial and polynomial, and also about the terms, coefficients and factors. Let's move on to standard identities. Here we will know about three standard identities, that is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square and a plus b into a minus b. Let's start a plus b whole square. As 2 square can be written as 2 into 2, in the same way a plus b whole square can be written as a plus b into a plus b. We know that a plus these two are binomials, so this is a binomial to binomial multiplication. We need to first multiply a to this whole term a plus b and b to this whole term. It can be written as a into a plus b. Here plus sign is there, so we need to write plus b into a plus b. If we multiply them, a into a will be a square plus a into b will be ab plus b into a will be ab. It can be written as ba or ab, both is same, and plus b into b square. A square write it as, and ab here the coefficient will be 1. Therefore a plus ab will be 2ab and b square. Therefore a plus b whole square will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next one is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square can be written as a minus b into a minus b. Here also we need to multiply a to this whole term and b to this whole expression. Therefore a into a minus b. Here it is minus sign, therefore we need to write it as minus b into bracket a minus b. A into a will be a square minus a into b will be ab. Next b a, that is minus ab. Here minus into minus will be plus and b into b will be b square. Here minus ab will be minus 2ab, as both are having same sign we need to add them. So therefore we will get a minus b whole square as a square minus 2ab plus b square. You can notice that in a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, only difference is that here we will get plus 2ab, here it will be minus 2ab. And now next one is a plus b into a minus b. Here it is a binomial to binomial multiplication. Therefore a into bracket a minus b plus b into bracket a minus b. If we multiply them, a into a will be a square, this will be minus ab, this will be plus, and here plus into minus will be minus, therefore it will be minus b square. As ab are having different sign, it may be cancelled, or we can easily tell that it is 0. Therefore only answer will be a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square. These three are the important identities. Next, another useful identity is x plus a into x plus b. Here x into x plus x plus b and plus a into x plus b. If we multiply them, x into x will be x square plus x into b, that is bx plus ax plus a into b ab. Here you can notice that these two are having x as common, therefore we need to take x as common and the remaining a plus b can be written in a bracket. Therefore the x plus a into x plus b will be x square plus a plus b x plus ab. These identities are useful to solve the problem, so I have firstly explained about it, and I have solved it because it will be easy for you to remember these identities. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.